Hey guys, I'm in Florida now. I've been in Florida for like the past 3 years. I haven't been posting on YouTube. I know that. What are you doing?
I'm gonna go look in the pocket.
Just left stop number 7. Making our way to stop number 6 next.
I'm gonna make me crap myself.
Salty water.
It tastes good.
Stop number 6 is one of our 2 closest stops to Fort Lauderdale Beach. If you're looking to get some souvenirs or go to some of the shops that are right on the beach side, stop number 6.
These buildings. Jesus Christ.
You got more options to take a walk.
Oh, look at the city.
Now, if anybody's wondering what this area looked like back in the day before we had all the high rises here, off to the left, that little strip of land right there, that's what it looked like. Mangrove trees and Australian pine.
Mango or mangrove?
Inside that property, though, you're going to find an estate that is now a museum. It's called the Bryant House. It's a very nice estate, beautiful landscaping. They got a lot of original artwork inside the estate. Plus, when you go to do their tour, you're going to get a discount with your water taxi ticket. So be sure to show that to them.
Christian?
But there's a funny story about the she was about 72. She went to the city and said, hey, guys, I'm 72. I don't want to pay taxes anymore. Is there a way that we can come up with something to help me out? And we're like, man, everybody pays taxes, go home.
Crocodile
So
territory.
a couple days later, she came back, making her come back, they could not refuse. She said, if when I pass away, I donate my land to you guys, do I then have to pay taxes still? And they were like, well, you're 72. I think we could come up with something. Here's a stack of paperwork to sign away your piece of land. Now, she did just that, but she passed away a little shy of 109. So from 72 to 108, she got away without paying an estimated $30 million in taxes.
Dude, look how big these palm trees are.